My name is Daryl Holmes. I'm with Main Street Group, based here in Canada, and I'm the Director of Sales. So Main Street is an agency, and we work with CPG, wine, spirits, and beer companies, supporting their marketing departments with really anything point of sale to support in retail, connecting with the consumer. Yeah, so we ask you to come in really to help us with an online platform that really up our game in providing services to our customers. So we have online storefronts. Currently we're utilizing third-party vendors to bring that to us, and just the limitations that we're experiencing, frustrations of it not being our own platform, and really developing that IT that's our own, that we can really customize it to meet the needs of our clients. And excited where this is going. I wasn't really sure what to expect, to be honest with you. So what I've found is a very informative session. I found it to be very detailed, going through every step of the process and really helping us to uncover things we haven't thought of, and what's involved in this journey and really creating our own storefront platform. Yeah, so all around it's been a great experience. There's lots there to think about that you really need a professional to prompt you and really walk you through the process. Obviously having some experience with an existing storefront is invaluable as well, so you sort of know what you're talking about when questions are being asked and ideas are being put forward. But definitely having a professional, somebody that's in the space to coach you through it is necessary.